Sharing your biela project with another user just got way easier. Now, you can transfer a full copy of your project, including all its resources, to any biela.dev user in just a few clicks. Here's how. From your dashboard, click the share icon next to your project. Enter the username or email of the person you want to share it with, then click Transfer. Or head inside the project itself, go to Settings, tap Share, enter the user's info, and send it over. Once done, you'll see a confirmation, transferred successfully to your friend's email address. The recipient will get full access to their own copy of the project, ready to explore, edit, and launch. It's perfect for collaboration, handoffs, or just helping a friend get started.